Now, I have the exciting part to be able to share with all of you all things Arbor research. So we have been talking and sharing with you about how excited we are about our new registry, our new website, and our new reporting platform. And I am here to give you some exciting details today. First of all, you may hopefully have already noticed that our website has a new look. So we have transitioned to a new public website, which is it mirrors our old website. So any information that you found on our previous website, you'll be able to find here. It might be under a little bit of a different navigation, but we hope that it is more intuitive, and we will certainly be using this more dynamically moving forward. So please definitely bookmark this, check back for updates. We'll have things like our recordings from today on here, other ways to engage with us. Definitely take a look in there and let us know if you have feedback. We always like to hear it. Next up is what we are calling MedicLink. So we are very, very excited to be rolling out our new abstraction platform. This is something that we have been working on building for quite some time now with Arbor Research. We are excited that it has, the platform has a lot of solid sort of automated data validation checks, some good kind of QC checks throughout, things to help the abstractors really be able to be most efficient in their work abstracting these cases. And we were extremely grateful to 5 of our abstractors, Penny, Heather, Andrea, Kristen, and Karen, for their willingness to help us pilot test this new platform. So we've gathered a lot of feedback. Katie and Carrie have worked extremely hard gathering feedback from our abstractors, and then actually had several folks go in and test it throughout, incorporated that feedback to develop what we think is a really great product. So very excited for this to go live very soon here. And finally, we are really pumped to be entering into the world of Tableau reporting. So many of you may already be familiar with this software. It's a data analysis and visualization tool, something that's used in a lot of different healthcare contexts. It really allows us to have some awesome flexibility in how we display our data and what we're able to filter or tailor. Just really gives a lot of options for customization in that actual output. Pretty visuals, things that you might be able to use in a presentation, different ways to display your site's data in a way that is most meaningful to you. So this is very much a dynamic process and an iterative one. And our initial build out will focus on just getting you that most important basic information. How are you performing on all of our quality initiatives? And how are you performing relative to the target and to the rest of the Medic Collaborative? Moving forward, we will absolutely be building out additional functionality and focusing on a lot of the feedback that we've gotten from all of you about what's most useful for you when you're trying to help move the needle on improvement at your sites. So overall, the goal here is to make this easy, efficient, as painless as possible for all of you to be able to access this data and then share it back out to your providers. So when is all this happening? Well, some of it has actually already started. So Katie, Carrie, and Allison have worked really hard over the past week to host 4 separate trainings for our abstractors in the MedicLink platform. So almost all, if not every abstractor should have received that introductory training at this point. As of 5 p.m. on Sunday, the active abstraction ability in Arbor Metrics, so our old or what's now current registry, will be deactivated. So after 5 p.m. on Sunday, there will be no new cases abstracted into Arbor Metrics. At this point, you will still have access to your reports. It just won't incorporate any new cases. Then the week or so between March 8th and the 15th, there will be no new active abstraction recorded in either Arbor Metrics or in our new MedicLink registry. So we're going to ask that the abstractors use this time to practice in our new MedicLink test registry so that when we are ready to go live on March 15th with MedicLink, that we will be able to hit the ground running, and from there on out, all abstraction with our recorded cases will be going into this new registry. And then finally, at the end of the month, beginning of April, the Coordinating Center, in tandem with Arbor Research, will be working on providing some reporting training. So rolling out those reports in Tableau so that you all will have access to those data in the new platform. And we invite and will be sending out plenty of communications to abstractors, clinical champions, administrators, and I'm sure we'll be also recording some of those sessions as well so that you can reference them later. But look ahead to the end of the month for those pieces, and we are really pumped to bring you all along with us. Before I move to questions, I wanted to quickly take a moment to recognize Allison Stone. She is our database manager, and she has been working extremely hard for well over a year, way back when we were all able to be together in person, on this new registry build out, all the way back to creating an RFP for finding a registry vendor. So if you happen to interact with her, give her a shout out. She has been the rock of this process. So thank you, Allison. We appreciate you. I will take a couple